Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Monday.com for task management. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so Monday.com is a visual work management platform that lets you create tasks, assign them to people, set deadlines, track progress, and automate repetitive work. Now, its core system revolves around boards, which contains groups, items, and tasks, and columns for information such as status, owner, or due date. Now, go ahead and start by creating a new board. I've gone ahead and done this, so I've created a new board called Tim Tasks. Also, Monday.com also lets you create boards from templates or import information from tools such as Excel and even Google Sheets. Now from here, we want to go ahead and understand the board or the task board. Now the first thing what we need to do is understand the board. So inside of this board here, I've got task, owner, status, due date, and also below here is completed. So for this, I've got 3 different tasks. So I've got create YouTube thumbnail, edit video, and upload video. Now to the right of that is the owner. So who is going to do this? So I've got here myself to create the thumbnail, edit video is myself, and the upload video, I've got another account doing that. This is just for demonstration. Now to the right of that, we've got the status on it. So currently I am working on it, so I'm creating that. I can click onto it and move this from done to stuck. Now if you do move it to done, that means it's going to be completed. And then to the right of that, we've got the due date as well. So we can change those due dates by just basically clicking into that and then moving that due date if you want. Now we can also add another column. So we can add another column that with status, text, people, and we've got super useful things here as well. And now below the status bar here, it's going to show us the status of all those to inside of there. So currently 2 out of 3 is done. So if I go ahead and click onto that, click on the done, that's going to change that to done 3 out of 3. We can also go ahead and add more tasks here. So we can go ahead and click on add task, add in more information here as well, and then we can change the owner. So we can go ahead and choose an owner if the status has started, and also a due date. Now if we navigate to the top here, we can go ahead and search inside of here. So you can search this board. We can filter board by person, so we can filter by different people. So I can filter by, say, my other account here. So this is all the tasks for that account. We got more filtering here as well. So if we click onto that, there's a lot of different filters we can apply. We can sort by any column, we can hide, we can group by, and we can also pin columns, item height, conditional coloring, and default item values. Now if we click onto manage workspace, we can go ahead and manage your workspaces inside of here. And we've also got dashboard and reporting.